Right, well this is the second of this and the final 77805 of this customer's. Quite a song and dance trying to get the audio back through here. Mine wasn't faulty, somebody had linked this extension speaker socket to power, and so it had blown up some parts. Anyway, it's sorted. Let's go to Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that, I'll put my extension speaker in. Roger on that, on this radio we've got no tone control.
Roger. Right, coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger on that, we're a bit late today, so I'm not surprised.
Right, we were square wheeled, but we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Even better.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Roger got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
On the Midland 77805 UK Port-A-Pak, using the factory original speaker mic. And he's doing a 4 watt output, and yeah, that's it, over.
Yep, to that, all received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger.
we're now square wheeled for the train, but it's just passing through the crossing, so we'll be gone shortly.
Roger, Dodger. Multiple units or secret missile?
Just your standard multiple units.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing.
Roger. In the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on this Midland 77805 UK using its speaker mic, and he's doing a 44 watt output and drawing 912 milliamp. We're going to go to low power, and I've set it for 400 milliwatts. There we are on 400 milliwatts. I didn't give a countdown, but the switch was easy to flick the night breaker. So now there's 400 milliwatts and drawing 348 milliamp, back to full power, and there we are back on full power over.
Yep, roger that. Loud and clear on full power, a bit noisy on low power, but still very legible.
Now, I mentioned earlier there's some noise with the mic. Has that cleared up?
No, it's still there.
Roger on that. Well, you know, 40-year-old mic, what do? They sell for £39 broken on average on eBay. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Run on that. I've swapped the mic for our demonstration mic. So just have a listen to that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 8.
Yeah, that's fine. I didn't detect any rustling as you unkeyed.
No, roger on that. Fine, I'll go back to Justin's mic.
Roger that.
And there we are, back on the customer's mic.
Roger. crossing. Over. Yep, 137.9, 144.7.
Roger on that, right, well, that worked fine. Apart from a bit of mic rustle and so I'll say 10-10, thank you.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
We're now going over raw speed level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over raw speed level crossing. Have you got a petrol price there today, please, over?
Yep, 137.9, 144.7.
Roger on that. Right, well, that worked fine. Apart from a bit of mic rustle, and so I'll say 10-10. Thank you.
Yep, roger that, 10-10.
Right, well, he reports a bit of mic rustle, so there's absolutely nothing we can do about that. It would be alright if you could replace the mic, wouldn't it? But you can't. So I'm sure it's acceptable. You'll have heard the video. And as I said to Mr. Chippie, I've seen those mics fetch 39 quid on eBay broken. So there you are.
Target 21 testing the Midland 77805 UK Port-A-Pak set with the factory original mic into our Midland 76900 base station. 5432112345. We'll go to low power for a hum test. They were on low power, doing 400 milliwatts, go back to full power. There we are on full power. So if there was a hum, it would diminish on low power. We won't be doing any videos until the base station is finished. We're doing that unit N300, which has been in for a couple of months. And if you remember, the wiring had been cut out, so some daft person could put an illegal modification in there. And then we had the gentleman from Leicester, the trucking and farming gentleman, bring his over so we could copy the wiring, which was very kind of him. We'd have done that, but we were left with uncontrollable volume on PA, and that needs looking into. So that has to be got to the bottom of so it can go back to the customer. I was already had it on the air test, but I will do a revisited video just so you see what we found in getting the bottom of that PA fault. And it is important we do that PA fault because without fixing the PA, we can't find why there's a half-second delay on the transmitted audio, because it is the audio side of the radio rather than the radio side of the radio, if you understand that. So thank you for watching the Midland 77805 Port-A-Pak number 2 from this customer. And